Hey there! If you've ever wondered about meditation but felt it was a bit too mystical, I'm here to demystify it for you and show you how backed by science it really is. Ready to unlock the power of meditation? Let's dive in. First, what is meditation exactly? At its core, meditation is the practice of focusing your mind in order to achieve mental clarity and emotional calmness. Sounds pretty straightforward, right? But the benefits, oh, the benefits. It's like a toolkit for your brain. So why should you start meditating? Well, science has some pretty compelling answers. Studies show that meditation can decrease stress, reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression, and even improve your attention span. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. But let's get practical. How do you start? First, find a quiet spot where you won't be disturbed. It could be a corner of your room, a comfy chair, or even a peaceful park bench. The key is consistency, not location. Next, set a time limit, especially if you're a beginner. Even just 5 minutes a day can make a difference. As you get more comfortable, you can gradually increase the time. Now focus on your breath. This is the simplest way to meditate. Breathe in, breathe out, and pay attention to how the breath feels as it enters and leaves your body. Your mind will wander. That's totally normal. The important part is to gently bring your focus back to your breath whenever you notice your thoughts drifting. And here's a tip. There's no such thing as being good at meditation. It's a practice, which means all you need to do is show up for it. Some days will feel easier than others, and that's okay. It's all part of the journey. To wrap up, whether you're looking to manage stress, improve your focus, or just find a moment of peace in your busy day, meditation can be a powerful tool. And remember, it's all about taking that first step and giving it a try. The science is clear, the benefits are real, and the only thing left is for you to experience it yourself. So, why not start today? Thanks for tuning in, and here's to your journey into the transformative world of meditation. Namaste.